Masalahnya sebenarnya karena susunya itu kan gampang basi itu loh, nggak bisa tahan lama.
Barang-barang bahan-bahan yang dititipno kadang nyisa. Terus kayak tanteku iku ya iku terong, selada, mbak apa mana sih? Big gobes gak sih? Seingetku. Problemnya Fujiku
Salmon.
timun, wortel, salmon.
Problem solve-nya kalau terong apa ya?
Ya beli gak usah banyak-banyak gak sih?
Mulai gak usah banyak-banyak soalnya sing suka ya gak terlalu akeh.
Berarti pengurangan apa?
Makan.
Kayak bikin promo-promo gitu loh, misal khususnya buat menu-menu sing ada pilihan makanan nih iku sing cepet apa? Cepet basi iku.
Cepet basi.
Berarti
ya
idenya kita ini untuk mengurangi
Food waste.
penggunaan bahan-bahan, mengurangi food waste ya.
Kita sing pre-order dibuat sing rumahan ae sing Fuji.
Sing Fuji promo
gitu. Jadi sing susu ambek sing punya AIE mama iku sistem pre-order, Fuji pakai promo.
Nah, jadi nanti kan tak buatin promo buy one get one ya toh.
Nah itu iku 22k sing terus ambek sing dicoret iku.
Sing menu sing mengandung timun engko digratisno ambek sing bahane raw. Hello, this is group 4 and now we'll do a presentation to make our design thinking process become much more easier to understand. Okay, so first we will talk about empathize. In empathize, we try to compare between 3 food and beverage businesses. After we compared it, then we start to find the potential problems of each business about some ingredients that has its own potential to be wasted. And then next slide. Okay. After that, we try to see from the different point of view, which is the producer and consumer point of view to analyze the problem, like why those problems existed and what is our goals, needs, and desire as a producer. Then at the end, we also try to do role playing as someone who opened up a business and calculating the possibility that might be happened, such as leftover that cause the food waste issue.
Okay, and after we already have empathy to the producer, we move to the next level or the next sections, which is divine. In this section, we will do a brainstorming about what problems we looking for, the problems that we can looking for the solutions after. So for example, it's in the divine sections, we see that how we might be able to reduce wasting milk and jelly in sweet factory, how we can reduce the purchase of eggplant by Dapur Simbok, and how we might be reduced the overbuying of raw materials in Fuji restaurant.
Okay, with this matrix, we make a voting to find a better solution. So here we find a solution with the most voting that we are going to use. And for the ideation is the creative process of generating new ideas which can be accomplished by a variety of techniques such as brainstorming and prototyping. And here is our ideation that creates by brainstorming together. First, Sweet Factory, we made a pre-order system, minimal 3 variant and bundle. It contains favorite menu and less desirable menu. And the third is menu that are less desirable are removed from the list. and we made a new menu that are more current or more desirable, like adding some cream cheese, etc. And for Depot Simbo, we made a pre-order system according to the food schedule on that day because they're a catering house. And for Fuji, for leftover rice, it can be processed into a new menu like tofu from rice and other menu with Japanese culinary themes. And the prototype will be explained by Ivana.
Okay, so the prototype, through the discussion that has been described before, from 3 candidates, there are only 2 of them that we see that have quite problematic problems of food waste. So we decided to make promos and bundles for Sweet Factory and Fuji Japanese. While the Depot Simbo, after we investigated, they already have a fairly good system. It is pre-order system where there will be less possibility of food waste. And as you can see on the screen, it is our draft to our poster. And next. And here's the result of our poster. The first one is the poster of Sweet Factory. We apply a discount promo system to several variants. There are Thai tea, strawberry, bubble gum, lychee, taro, and mango flavor. And the second poster is for the Fuji Japanese, where we apply a buy one get one system for the octopus roll and black dragon roll menus. So I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.